How you doing, Katie? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, the main thing is identification here. That's what this is about. Yeah. I mean, for testing.
Tissue thing that we know.
Yeah.
So can you explain how you would? So this would be what, one?
Oh, I see what you're talking
Two.
about. The number is always, the number is the same for any of them. It's always in one quadrant. The quadrant is from the middle line this way.
Yeah, that's why.
And so it's 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is the canine teeth. And then 2 premolars, 1, 2, 3 molars.
So let me write that down.
2, 1, 2, 3. The pattern will stay the same for all the hominids and all the hominoids.
Okay. Now,
No exceptions.
for the Afrikaans one, the tongue child, that was.
And that was a child. He's only, the reason is, okay.
Okay.
So you can't use that formula for them.
Okay.
Actually,